Louisiana State is a state that has an abundance of regulatory boards. What's significant about these boards, they exercise governmental power, but Senator Appel, there's virtually no checks and balances. There's almost no judicial review. The information that we were given last year is that it's virtually unheard of for a court to ever overturn a licensing board. And by the way, the United States Supreme Court has weighed in on this issue, not specifically in the context of due process, but when the Supreme Court has said is that they have recognized the problem of regulatory agencies there's no one that has oversight over them. We don't know what they do. We don't grade their paper. We don't sit there and watch their hearings. We don't have the right to tell them they've done wrong. And the media doesn't report them. Their hearings are typically not public. They're working in, without oversight. But the power that they possess to take away someone's license, to destroy their livelihood, and, of course, the tragedy drive people to take their own lives. The Supreme Court case is the case out of the United States Supreme Court, North Carolina case, simply says that in order for antitrust protections to protect these licensing agencies, there has to be some real oversight by the state. We don't have it. They're doing whatever they want. And by the way, I do want to point out that what the Supreme Court says is that because board members are often active market participants, for them to be regulating their competitors without some state oversight, regulation, or participation renders those state agencies, those state boards, not entitled to sovereign immunity. They can be sued.